Hi, I'm Margaret Xu, your Google Plus chef, and today I'm going to make you my signature roast, which is a barbecue, is my yellow earth chicken. Now, to marinate this chicken, it's a known recipe of mine. I have here a special ginger, which is wild ginger. It's not your normal ginger. I will need olive oil, which is extra virgin. It gives it a very nice aroma. And the secret to this marinade is this curry leaf, which I grow in my garden. Normally, you wouldn't use it as a marinade. In my case, I like it for the flavor. It's got a very, very nice flavor. So I make this marinade with the olive oil, a bit of sea salt, ginger, and the curry leaf. Let it sit for about a month, and now I can use it to marinate the chicken. Now we're going to put the salt on the skin first and make it very crispy. First, you put about a tablespoon of sea salt and you rub it on the skin. Make sure you get the salt on every part of the chicken, and then you might want some more here. Okay, so you leave the skin with the salt on, and then you put in a tablespoon of this inside the cavity, not outside, but inside. And then you rub the chicken. Put in a few leaves for the flavor. And now your chicken's ready, and you can wait for it to marinate for an hour or so. To put this chicken to roast, you need to hook it properly because it's roasted hanging up. The secret is to hook through the chest bone with the pointed side of the hook, so that the chicken won't fall down when it's cooked. So you go through here, so the neck can rest on it. And now it's ready to roast. This chicken was roasted for 45 minutes hanging inside this terracotta urn that I made myself out of plant pots. And all the fat has dripped down to the bottom, so you get a very crispy skin. Yum!